Like many of you, I woke up one morning with phlegm in my throat and a heavy feeling in my chest. I've been struggling for a few minutes with a persistent cough and cold symptoms that wouldn't go away. I know many of you are dealing with similar health issues, and just like you, I've experienced the same symptoms as well. I've tried everything for a few hours, from over-the-counter medicines to easy home remedies, just like some of you might already have. Then, I opened my medicinal herbal books to find a tea remedy for phlegm in the throat and lungs. After several minutes, I stumbled upon a 3-herb tea remedy that seemed very effective, according to the personal testimonies in the book. After drinking this herbal tea, I started seeing positive results in a few minutes, just like I hope all of you will. After so much discomfort, my chest was relieved, the phlegm in my throat and lungs dissolved, and I felt much better about working on my computer. I'm so excited about the tea I discovered, and you will be too when you try this 3-herb tea and see for yourself its healing power. I decided to share in this video my personal experience and the fantastic results I've seen, the herbal benefits of the 3 plants, and the preparation process of this excellent tea. Also, at the end of the video, I will tell you about another natural remedy I found that I tried with the 3-herb tea at different times to feel even better as soon as possible. So, don't go anywhere, hit that like button, subscribe if you still need to far, to discover how to improve and regain health with natural remedies you have never heard about, and let's embark on this health journey together. These 3 excellent beneficial herbs to eliminate phlegm in the throat, chest, and lungs are echinacea, thyme, and eucalyptus. All are potent herbs known for their medicinal properties, especially regarding respiratory health. Echinacea is widely recognized for its immune-boosting properties, helping the body fight infections and illnesses. It's particularly effective in soothing sore throats and reducing inflammation. It's often used to fight off infections and illnesses, making it a popular choice during cold and flu season. Thyme, on the other hand, is a potent herb with antiseptic and antifungal properties that is used to treat respiratory conditions, including coughing and bronchitis, as it helps to loosen phlegm and mucus in the throat, chest, and lungs. Additionally, thyme is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, A, iron, and manganese, which can further boost your immune system and overall health. Thanks to its expectorant properties, eucalyptus is renowned for clearing congestion. It helps in relieving coughs and improving respiratory circulation. It's also a powerful expectorant, which helps expel phlegm and mucus from the lungs. Eucalyptus is often used in cough lozenges and inhalants because of its effectiveness in relieving coughs and improving respiratory circulation. Moreover, eucalyptus has antimicrobial properties, which can help fight off bacteria and viruses that may be causing your respiratory issues. So, now that you know the excellent beneficial properties of these 3 potent herbs, let's move on to the tea recipe. You'll need the following: 1 teaspoon of dried echinacea, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried eucalyptus, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1/2 lemon juice or 1 slice of lemon. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a pot. Once the water is boiling, add the echinacea, thyme, and eucalyptus and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After simmering, turn off the heat and let the tea steep for another 5 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup and drink it as hot as possible, taking care to sip it slowly. You may add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1/2 lemon juice or 1 slice of lemon to get even better results. Stir the honey until it dissolves completely. Honey adds sweetness to the tea and has potent antimicrobial properties to help fight infections and ease coughs. Lemon is rich in powerful antioxidants and vitamin C, boosting the immune system and relieving respiratory issues. You can have this tea 1 to 2 times a day to help clear phlegm from your throat, chest, and lungs. Another effective herbal remedy for eliminating phlegm in the throat, chest, and lungs is a soothing herbal tea blend made from ginger, honey, and lemon. This remedy harnesses these ingredients' natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties to relieve congestion and promote respiratory health. To prepare this herbal remedy, start by boiling a cup of water. Grate a small piece of fresh ginger, about a teaspoon or more, and add it to the boiling water. Ginger is known for its excellent anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe irritation in the respiratory tract. Allow the ginger to steep in the water for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, add a tablespoon of raw honey to the ginger-infused water. Stir the honey until it dissolves completely. Finally, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the tea. Stir the mixture well and let it cool slightly before drinking. This herbal tea can be consumed 2 to 3 times daily, especially when experiencing phlegm symptoms and congestion. It's important to note that individuals with allergies or sensitivities to any of the above tea ingredients should exercise caution and consult with their doctor before trying these remedies. However, while herbs are natural, they can still have side effects and interact with other medications. Additionally, before starting any herbal treatment or if symptoms persist or worsen, you should consult your doctor for a proper diagnosis and treatment. There's a common misconception that the more herbs you use, the better. However, using over 3 herbs at once can lead to adverse effects, so it's important to use herbs in moderation and follow recommended dosages. Phlegm in the throat and lungs can be a persistent and annoying problem. Still, nature has provided us with powerful remedies. These herbal teas we've discussed today are not just a soothing beverage but a potent weapon against respiratory discomfort. Their natural ingredients work together to break down and eliminate phlegm, helping you breathe easier and feel better. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about natural remedies to improve or regain your health, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my future videos. I have much more to share with you, and I'm excited to have you on this beautiful journey. Also, if you want to discover how to fight pneumonia symptoms with 3 natural lung and chest remedies, watch this video on the left. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and curious. Have a wonderful day and a new week.